In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Draw.io in Notion efficiently and in a few easy steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Draw.io designs directly into your Notion workspace, which should make your workflow both more visually appealing and productive. Let's start first by opening up your browser and heading over to Draw.io. This is a versatile online tool that allows you to create diagrams and flowcharts, which can be really useful for everything from project planning to mind mapping. Once you're there, make sure your design is open and ready to be shared. Next, you're going to look for the File menu. It's located at the top left of the Draw.io interface. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Embed. Notice that this opens up several possibilities for sharing your diagram, but today we are focusing on integrating with Notion. Look through the options and find the Notion logo or label. Clicking on it will direct the tool to generate a special code just for embedding your diagram into Notion seamlessly. This code is key to making sure your diagram displays correctly as an embedded element. Now comes the crucial step, copying this code. Carefully select the entire code from the embed window. Make sure not to miss any part of it, as even a slight omission could mean that the embedding won't work correctly. Once highlighted, right-click your selection and choose Copy from the context menu, or alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+C for Windows users or Command+C for those on a Mac. We're halfway through the process. With your code safely copied to your clipboard, it's time to head over to Notion. Navigate to the specific page where you want your Draw.io diagram to appear. Notion, as you might know, is incredibly flexible, allowing you to organize your notes, tasks, and projects in a grid or free-flow structure. Once you're on the target page, think about where you want your diagram to catch the eye. Position your cursor in that spot and ready yourself to paste the code. Do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This action will integrate the diagram into your Notion page. After pasting the code, you'll see your Draw.io diagram appear right inside your Notion workspace. It will be live and interactive, supporting any updates you might make later on Draw.io. This capability can help elevate your project presentations or enrich collaborative spaces on Notion. And there you have it. By integrating Draw.io into Notion, you've created a powerful synergy between design and organization, significantly enhancing your productivity. Thanks for following along, and give this integration a try in your projects today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and let us know if there are other integrations you'd like to explore.